In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your Agri Fab 44-inch lawn sweeper. Begin assembly by aligning the drawbar, Part 8, and the drawbar brackets, Part 1, on either side of the drawbar and the sweeper housing. Then insert a 3/8 by 2 1/4 inch clevis pin, Part 15, and secure it with a 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpin, Part 17. Next, insert a 5/16/18 by 3 inch carriage bolt, Part 20, up through the bottom. Now, slide on a 3/4 inch spacer, Part 24, then thread on a wing knob, Part 32. Next, repeat the previous 3 steps. Now insert the handle holder, Part 2. Then secure it with a 3/32 inch by 1.8 inch hairpin, Part 17. Now align a bag arm and insert 2 3/8 by 2 1/4 inch clevis pins, Part 15, through the holes in the bag arms, Part 12. Now secure them with 2 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpins, Part 17. Next, repeat for the other side. Now, insert the end of a lower hopper tube, Part 13, into the ends of the rear hopper tube, Part 5, ensuring the holes in the center of the rear hopper tube are facing up. Align the holes in the end of each tube and insert 2 1/4 inch by 1.11 inch clevis pins, Part 18. Secure them with 3/32 inch by 1.8 inch hairpins, Part 17. Now, align the upper hopper tubes with the rear hopper tube, making sure the center holes in the rear hopper tube are facing down. Make sure the hex bolt heads face inward, and insert 2 1/4 inch by 1.11 inch clevis pins, Part 18. Secure them with 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpins, Part 17. Next, mate the upper and lower subframes with 2 3/8 by 1/2 inch clevis pins, Part 22, and secure them with 2 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpins, Part 17. Next, unfold the hopper bag and slide in the frame. Then slide a bag frame tube, Part 4, through the front of the bag. Next, insert 2 hopper support rods, Part 3, in the holes in the rear of the hopper support frame. Take care not to bend the supporting rods too much, as this may cause the rods to lose supporting tension. Next, attach the bag frame tube using 2 1/4 inch by 1.11 inch clevis pins, Part 18. Secure them with 2 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpins, Part 17. Then fold the bottom front flaps on the bag and snap them into place. Next, secure the velcro along the sides, starting at the front and working your way to the rear. Now secure the ties along the back. Then slide the lower handle tube, Part 9, onto the upper handle tube, Part 11. Next, insert the 1/4 20 by 1 inch bolt, Part 16, and secure it with the knob, Part 31. Now slide on the handle grip, Part 27. Then assemble the U-clamp, Part 30, to the rear hopper tube and align the handle tube assembly. Next, secure it with a 5/16 by 1 1/4 inch clevis pin, Part 19, and a .08 by 1 1/8 inch hair cotter pin, part 23. Now attach the bag frame to the sweeper by sliding the pivot posts down onto the bag arms. The sweeper can accommodate tractor heights ranging from 7 to 13 inches. Refer to the chart and select a height configuration. Align the straight hitch bracket part 7 and the hitch bracket part 6. Secure it with 5/16/18 by 2.5 inch hex bolts part 25 and 2 5/16/18 nylock nuts part 26. Then insert the hitch pin part 28 down through the hitch brackets and spacers part 29. Secure it with a 3/32 by 2 5/16 inch hair cotter pin, part 21. Make sure to read the manual for other valuable safety, operation, and maintenance instructions.